Good morning, student of 10th class. As you know that we have completed our one chapter in history and one chapter in civics and one chapter in economics. That was developed recently. I completed. Now I'm going to start your first chapter of your geography. The chapter of the first chapter of geography is resources and development. Resources and development. I think in earlier classes from in 6th and 7th in 8th and even in 9th class, in all classes you have studied in in little amount about resource. I hope all of you are well familiarized by this word resource. Let's discuss about this in 10th class also. Resource and development. Here you will find something more. The question come here, what is resource? What is resource? What is resources? What is resources? बहुत this is very basic question, basic concept of resource. Any problem? कोई without any doubt, without any taking complex of the study, for study, do not think more, only think about a little less. I have to know, do not try to become a geographer or geologist. Don't try to become geographer and geologist. Try to become a good student. It means now you don't have to take complex way of study. What is resource, beta? What is resource? Resource, if you want to define the resource you can say that resource is everything around us. Everything around us is resource. It means everything which are present around us or in environment and fulfill our need or satisfy our need is called resource. Do you think that this marker is satisfying our need? This is resource. I wear shirt. This is satisfying my need. This is for me a resource. I am inhaling, breathing in air. Air is resource. I am using mobile phone to record my class video. This is a resource for me. You are watching my video and you are using mobile phone. This is a resource for you. Okay? And this whiteboard is also a resource for me. You drink water. This is a resource. You use bicycle. You use bus to go to your school and come back to your home. This is resource. Everything in general step. I also have taken the class in earth class. The first chapter of geography was their resource. So I'll send maybe warm-up video of earth class that I made in naturalistic. I used naturalistic intelligence to warm up you about resources. But here also I am saying you. Okay? It means think about that everything is resource. Everything. Even you, if you have beard, watch, and in nose and eyes, if you have a beard, I don't know what it. That is also okay. Hairband is resource. Water, air, plants. Everything resource. Everything is resource. In this video, we will study only about the type of resource. I hope all of you have understood. Resource are everything which are present around us. Resources, everything which are present in environment around us and fulfill and satisfy our needs. Fulfill and satisfy our need. That is called resource. Everything is resource. I said in this way. Sun is also resource. Sun is also satisfying our need. Okay? That is it is provide us heat and light. No? Air, water, plant, land, soil, these all the things are resources. These all the things are resources. The question come here that how many type of resources? Yani types of resources. Question come here type of resources. If you see around us, if you see around you, Then you will find a student of class 10th. Question I think do not come from here, the type of resources. Your next video is about your classification of resource. Every year one question at least ask CBSE ask from classification of resources. Then I'll take next video. Okay. In this video I am going to only the definition of resource and type of resource. Type of resource. एक फ्लो चार्ट इसी पे बनाते हैं. Take. Around you look. You are watching video. You are watching my video and look. Stop. Pause your video and look around you. That you will find something natural. 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 Plant you are looking around you. You are looking around you. Water. You are breathing in air, sun, soil, land, forest. These all the things do not made up by man, human. These all the things occurred naturally from nature. It means every resource which are occurred from nature naturally, that is called natural resource. यानी हमारे चारों तरफ कुछ ऐसे रिसोर्स हैं जो नेचुरल हैं, तो उनको हम एक टाइप में बता देते हैं. एक टाइप का देते हैं भैया तुम लोग नेचुरल रिसोर्स है, भगवान ने बनाया इनको सिंपली. तो दैट इज नेचुरल रिसोर्स. दैट इज नेचुरल रिसोर्स. अब नेचुरल रिसोर्स में एग्जांपल अगर देना चाहोगे, इफ यू वांट टू गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स, दैट आर एयर, वाटर, soil, plant, forest, comma, animal, etc. Minerals, इन सबको भी आप you can add in minerals also. These are natural resources. Second, you will find around you some are man-made. It means man-made resources. Man-made resources. That is man-made resource. You are looking here in this marker. This is not made by God. That is man-made. I have beard shirt and I am using mic. This is not made by God. This is made by human. Okay. So that is suppose that pen, table, bus, and etc. I am not using more example for human made or man made. You are using mobile phone, table, your home, fan, okay, AC, cooler. All these things are made by human and artificial resource. So these are, we can put all the resources in the type of man-made resources, and that is naturally occurred from nature. We can put all the resources in natural resources. And one thing, third, what is? You can think, are you looking or not looking? The third, what is third? If you have put natural resources and man-made resources, that third what is? Third is actual man, human. Human is also a separate resource. It means human resource. Human resource. It means human. I am. It means all human only. Human is also separate resource, and we put human in on separate resource. That human fulfill our need with their skill, education, talent, and use the natural resource and make the natural resource as utilized way. So, student, in this video we have understood only 2 points. That the definition of resource and type of resource you can understand very easily. You can classify it. Don't need to the geographers have classified made type of resources. You can generally look around you that you will find some natural, some man-made and human also. तो दैट इज 3 टाइप ऑफ resource. Human natural resource 1, and second is man made resource, and third is human resource itself. Natural resource, example of natural resource and example of man made resource. तो मेरे 10th क्लास के हीरोज एंड मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स, हम थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अगर हम चाहेंगे तो बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं. हम आई discussed some student who told me that sir, do not cover more topics in one video. So I decided that we will cover only little topics in one video. And मुझे लगता है बेटा ना कि 10th क्लास के स्टूडेंट अभी जिनके लिए हम बनाए हैं उनके लिए है. अभी अगर कोई आप दूसरे देख रहे हो तो आप ट्राई करेंगे समझने के लिए कि भैया हमने 2 चीज़ों को सीखा, दैट इज रिसोर्स एंड टाइप ऑफ रिसोर्स. एंड नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्स. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट, इस वीडियो को देखिए और एक आप फ्लो चार्ट बनाइए और कुछ इनके कम से कम आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एग्जाम्पल्स को आप नोट करने का प्रयास करिए. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू.